forth.
It's working better. The picture's clear.
Can you see anything?
Alright,
I can't see Steve Harvey.
I think I see SpongeBob.
we should move it because the picture's working.
No. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, dude, stop. Stop.
Where the fuck are we getting all these sports items? Hockey is such a violent sport.
I think we're getting high def. High def! We're getting high def. It looks so real.
Wait! Ow! Wait!
Good thing we have these 3D glasses on.
Hadouken!
God. Everyone in the stand's a weightlifter.
No, you just pull back up.
Wait. Get back up! We're not finished with you yet, you piece of shit! Not finished! Please!
Everything else is broken.
Oh, yeah.
Justin, pretend it's Glenn.
This is our singer / bodyguard. This is how he warms up for a show.
Everything else.
Someone's gotta make the top fall apart.
Hey, can we when we
Hey,
post this
Brandon,
video?
on this side?
We're gonna start peeling away.
I think you just broke the bat.
Huh? It's a Luna.
Oh! Why don't you stand closer?
The spirit. Here, can I get that?
Oh.
Oh!
That didn't work.
Someone hurts themselves from doing this.
I can't wait.
This sound was always crappy.
Ah, so much for keeping the speakers.
Those are some tough speakers, wow.
Dude, the sound wasn't crappy, you were just watching on TV.
Oh, shit. My bad.
Good points.
Insanity.
Oh my god.
Someone's thought I didn't love him enough. Oh my god.
Kenny really never got a hug in his life.
Stop! No, stop. Candy,
Stop, your combat level.
I think so. Probably.
Go down, not sideways. Don't go like this, go like this.
That's like that.
Yeah.
Why don't you try it?